Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the properties of intersecting chords. So the statement is if two chords of a circle intersect externally, then the product of lengths of their segments is equal. Now here the given statement is that chords AB and CD of a circle when produced intersect each other externally at point P as given in the diagram. We have to prove that PA into PB equals to PC into PD. Now to prove it, we will be joining AC and BD, and in order to prove it, we'll consider triangle APC and BPD. And as we can see here that angle CAP equals to angle BDP, as we know that exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to opposite interior angle, and also we can say that angle APC equals to angle BPD, which is common, and so we can say that triangle APC is similar to triangle DPB by AA criteria. And as we know that if two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides will be proportional. So we can write that PA upon PD equals to PC upon PB, and on cross multiplication we'll get PA into PB equals to PC into PD. And that's how we can prove this statement. Thank you.